You are now watching Showbiz Now, your daily showbiz update. Matapos nga na mabash ng matindi-tindi si Neri Naig dahil sa kanyang 1,000 pesos weekly meal, ay todo depensa ang kanyang husband na si singer ng parokya ni Edgar na si Chito Miranda. Napakahaba nga ng naging post ni Chito para idepensa ang asawa. Panimula ni Chito Miranda mula sa kanyang Instagram saan naabot ang 1,000 mo. A few weeks ago, Neri came up with a weekly meal plan for a family of 2 or 4 working with a budget of only 2,000 pesos. It was mostly for fun, but she also thought that it can be useful for those who might want to use it as guide. Meals were cheap but relatively healthy and considered mostly of vegetables. The pork sinigang was mostly kangkong and sinigang mix. With a few strips of pork, it was detailed and had the proper costing to back it up. She did the math. She also reminded those who will be using her meal plan to add portions as needed, depending on their family size and appetite. Sinabi niya din na the meal plan was merely a guide which they could use as a starting point. It was a big hit with her followers. Needless to say, it wasn't the same meal plan that we followed and used in our house. More than 10 packs kami dito sa bahay and most of us are carnivorous. But she just wanted to let her followers know that it could be done palagi kasi talagang napag-uusapan yon sa page niya. Soon after, she told me that she wanted to make another meal plan but this time she'll try to keep it under 1,000 pesos. Soon enough, she was able to come up with one and kahit madaling araw na, she eagerly shared it with her followers. And again, madaming natuwa at nagpasalamat. And since it was intended for those who already knew what she was doing, she made the it was picked up by those who knew nothing of what she was doing and was instantly bashed for it. Grabe, di ba? Naisip lang naman ng asawa ko na baka sakaling makatulong yung meal plan niya sa mga tao that might find it useful. Nabas pa siya ng mga taong hindi naman nakasubaybay kung bakit ginagawa niya yung meal plan. Di bale, dinilit niya na po yung post niya and she will make it more detailed for those who do not fully understand what she was doing. What a cruel, cruel world. Anyway, for those who knew what Neri was doing, ayusin niya lang daw muna yung detail para mas maging helpful yung guide niya. For those who got angry and threw stones without knowing the details of what she was doing, good job sa inyo. Your comments say more about your character than the person you are commenting on. Peace and good vibes to you too. Ibinahagi din ni Chito ang mga magagandang response or comment ng mga followers ni Neri Naig Miranda, kung saan nandoon nga ang kanilang papuri at malaking tulong nga daw ang nasabing meal tips na ito ni Neri na nagkakahalaga lamang ng 1,000 pesos at magagawa nyo na ang budget na ito sa buong isang linggo. Samantala, tira hindi naman umubra ang paliwanag na ito ni parokya ni Edgar, vocalist Chito Miranda, sa mga anonymous commentator ng Fashion Police. Narito ang kanilang naging say. Say nila, ang problema kasi sa asawa mo, panay advocate ng laki ako sa hirap pero hindi naisip na iba ang hirap ng buhay noon sa hirap ng buhay ngayon. Panay sabing nagtipid ganito ganyan pero namimili sa Landers at nagbebenta ng mga mahal. Paano makakatipid mga fans niya kung mahal ang benta niya ng Diyos ko sa resto niya lang napakamahal ng food. Yung very Neri niya, 2 times to 3 times ang presyo compared sa mga private seller ng Shopee Lazada. Ilagay kasi sa lugar ang pagiging bida-bida. Feeling victim na naman, sinampal lang kayo ng katotohanan. Ang isang netizen, tayo na daw ang mag-adjust sa plot. Twist nila, lol, hahaha. Meal plan na may palengke list tapos naging biglang may tanim pala. Pag may pumiyok, masasama ang ugali nun. Your meal plan and response to this just show how out of touch you both are. Wala naman talagang masama sa meal plan. Nag-coasting pa kasi. Hindi naman pala mamamalengke tapos 10 pala sila sa bahay. Kaninong coasting ba yun bilang sa bida-bidang misis galing? Apakasimple lang naman yon. Ang tanong kasya ba sa recipes niya yung sinabi niyang 1,000 budget per week? 1,000 divided by 7 days, 143 pesos per day. Tapos, 2 meals, so tipong ang budget mo, 71 pesos per meal. Kasi 2 meals in a day. Para yun sa 2 to 4 na tao. Kaya nag-read yung mga tao sa planet Earth. Bayang palengke nila. May pa-iskabeche pa doon na nalalaman sa meal plan at saka kung may sukli, gawing pambaon. Ha ha ha. Ito pa ang patuloy na mensahe na ito ng isang netizen. Aniya, tapos pinanindigan pang kung di kaya yung 1,000 budget, aba, edi nagdiskarte sa buhay dahil di nagtanim o nag-alaga ng manok. Bida-bida lang. Kainis, marangya yung buhay nyo. Hindi kayo yung average typical Filipino family na pilit yung ginagawa ng brand. Kaya kayo natatawag na out of touch dahil hindi naman talaga relatable. Nakakabilib pa yung totoo sa sarili nila. Kung choice niya maging simple despite having the privilege, good for you. It's your choice. Pero wag nyo ding alisin sa iba na wala silang ibang choice kasi wala naman silang privilege or network. Tapos, masasabihan pang hindi nagdiskarte. A simple note saying na di naging updated yung posting ng meal plan kasi may mga di pala source sa palengke will do but napakahirap nun para sa kanila. Kaloka kayo.